Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to automate accounting tools or tasks with Xero AI tools. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply go and log in into your Xero account. So once you're in your Xero account, Xero will help you do all your accounting. You need to simply log in into your account and set up your bank feeds by connecting your business banks with Xero. So once you have done this, you need to configure recurring invoices for regular clients to ensure that invoicing is handled without manual. So by doing this, you can simply get your accounts managed, or you can simply have your accounting tasks simplified with Xero AI tools. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon, so stay updated and stay tuned for our next interesting and updating videos like this.